Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this session, we will explore the regulatory landscape of Colombia, focusing specifically on a critical requirement for market entry: the local authorized representative. For any foreign manufacturer looking to register a medical device or IVD in Colombia, the appointment of a local legal representative is mandatory. This is not just a formality, it is a legal necessity enforced by the National Regulatory Authority, INVIMA. The foundational regulation governing this is Decree 4725 of 2005. This representative serves as the official link between the manufacturer and INVIMA, and they must have a physical address within Colombia. The responsibilities assumed by the local representative are significant and legally binding. They are tasked with managing the entire registration lifecycle. This begins with preparing and submitting the initial registration dossier, and it extends to handling any subsequent modifications or renewals. All communication with INVIMA, from routine inquiries to formal responses during audits, must flow through this designated representative. A key area of responsibility is post-market surveillance, which in Colombia is referred to as technovigilance. The local representative is accountable for ensuring compliance with these requirements, which includes the submission of periodic safety reports and the immediate reporting of any serious adverse events according to INVIMA's strict timelines. This makes them central to maintaining the product's compliance status long after the initial registration is granted. It is also important to distinguish the role of the legal representative from that of the importer. While both are necessary, their functions differ. The legal representative manages the regulatory relationship with INVIMA. The importer, who must hold a Certificate of Storage and Conditioning Capacity, or CCAA, handles the physical logistics of bringing the device into the country. However, the legal representative is ultimately responsible for the regulatory compliance of the device on the market. Crucially, in Colombia, the foreign manufacturer remains the legal holder of the registration certificate. The representative acts on the manufacturer's behalf, but does not take ownership of the approval. This is a vital distinction as it provides the manufacturer with long-term control over their asset. Appointing a distributor as the legal representative can create a conflict of interest and potential commercial complications if the business relationship changes. For this reason, many companies opt for an independent third-party representative whose focus is purely on regulatory compliance, ensuring greater flexibility and security for the manufacturer's business operations in Colombia. If your company needs assistance with global market access in Colombia or over 30 other markets, please check out Pure Global. In the description, you will find links to our free AI tools and regulatory database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.